Po, all agencies are very much supportive like DepEd, BFP, PNP, AFP, and etc. po. Very cooperative siguro po ang mga agencies in support to the training program of the OCD po. So yan yung kita namin ni Superintendent. Then of course, number 2 is the target must be lower, making it 100%. Why not try to increase target and congrats, we have good strategy. So siguro ang nakita namin po dito po, you have a good strategy in the implementation of your training programs from planning, implementation, monitoring, plan adjustment, and maybe you conducted good research on the previous training programs that you did and you implement those good practices in the implementation of your training program po. At saka po yung target po, nakita namin ni Superintendent, 70% ata yung sa satisfaction survey po ng mga clients, and you had accomplished 95% po. So baka masyadong mababa naman po because in determining the success is not only how high you get from the target, but the difference between the target and the accomplishment, the variance, will also be looked into. Kasi the variance from positive variance is still a variance. Yeah, po. Siguro po, the nearer your target to your accomplishments, I think it is better possible. So that is one of the principles in good planning. Magandang umaga po. Salamat.